Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada Post Slider Element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Avada Post Slider Element is one of a number of Avada Builder elements that can pull data from the blog custom post type. The other three are the Postcards element and the Blog and Recent Posts element. The Post Slider Element, as the name suggests, creates a slider based on your blog posts. Let's have a look at it in action. Halfway down the home page on the food pre-built here is a 2/3 column with a couple of postcard elements, the first one just showing one post. I might change that one to a post slider for a different look. I'll just add a post slider element, and then I'll delete the top postcards element. There are three layout options with the post slider: posts with title and excerpt, and an attachment layout that displays images attached to the post or page. As you can see, the element has loaded with the posts with title layout, and this gives a nice simple slider with the title overlaid. This layout resizes well, although it does use a H2 heading size, so your H2 heading size will affect the layout here. The option below this is categories. By default they are all chosen, but you can select exactly which categories you want to show with this option. Also under this you can select how many slides you want to display on the slider. In this case I want to reduce this to 1, just to show the first post. With just one post it's not really a slider now, but it has a nice layout and you can use this element in many ways. If I change the layout to posts with title and excerpt, the layout changes to a slider with a larger overlay. There is also one new option with this selection, which is excerpt number of words. The default is 35 words, but I would probably reduce that to about 15 or 16 words in this case. This layout works in any column size, but again your H2 size will affect the layout, so it's probably best with larger columns. The final layout is called attachment layout, only images attached to post page. This layout displays images that WordPress has attached to the page during editing. In this case, if I increase the number of slides to 5 here, we can see the slider showing images that are attached to this page. With post sliders, be aware as well that if you have different aspect ratio images, the slide will grow and shrink accordingly when that slide comes up. I like it best with consistently sized images. If no images are attached to the page, you can add them through these layout options, as there is an option here to attach images to post page. Through this dialog, images must be uploaded to the media library, not just added. There is also an option with this layout to open the images in Lightbox. It's not a commonly used layout, so let's return this to posts with title layout and one slide. Yeah, that looks great. I'll just use the margin option here to increase the bottom margin to 30 pixels. On all three layouts there is also the usual element visibility option, which allows you to choose whether the element is displayed on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID fields, which allow you to further customize the element with custom CSS. Okay, that's the post slider element. Not so commonly used, but an interesting way to display your posts. That's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket, and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.